Hello, welcome back. We got a number 8 today. Patient came in and had a large filling that was debonded, so she elected to put a crown on it. That's what we are here to design. Start with our pre-op. You can see where that filling looks like it's got a rough edge on it. It was actually loose. You can see where it's coming out in the bottom there, and so I just, after I got her numb, I took a little scaler and just popped it out. Right, then we did our crown prep. So this is what our crown prep looks like. You'll notice she's got a really deep bite right here. I intentionally chose to do a cingulum sparing prep, which I feel is going to be the best for this restoration. So we're going to trim our model. Trim our opposing. Doesn't even really need it. Model axis. Get her lined up here. Good. See how deep that bite is right there. Dot to the center so that we can draw our margin. I'm actually going to turn the colors off if we can. Let's see. May not let us in this screen. Okay. So you can see my margins here, and then she's got a divot where she's worn that in on that cingulum. So instead of prepping to the nerve, I just did cingulum sparing, and I'm going to put our margin above that. Couple adjustments here. It's a good margin to me. Insertion axis. It's going to be parallel with the long axis of these neighboring teeth, something like this. Should work. Spacer definitely bonding this one means we need 120 microns. As far as thickness goes, 500 microns is plenty for the anterior. So we're going to adjust to that. Click OK. I'll check position. I probably won't do much in this tab, but I may come back to it. So let's just go straight into our proposal. Okay. So where were we starting? So that's what she's used to. Now, a part of me wants to take a disc and just contour that. So I don't know that I want to give her like a longer tooth in the back there because it's going to kind of make it look funny. I think what I would rather do is let's see, how do we do this? Let's get back to edit on that. I'm gonna play around with this proposal some. Smooth this edge just slightly. We want to leave this a little long. That looks about appropriate. It is a little bit longer on the back side, but I think that's going to match our neighbor pretty well. So that I'm okay with. Check our pre-op. Okay. Like that, okay. Now I'm gonna have to do some contouring, post-mill processing here. It's giving me some mamelons, but I'm gonna accentuate those with a diamond handpiece after we mill and turn our contacts back on. Let's come in here with our shape tool. See what we can do about this. See what the minimum thickness is. We got some. So she's on a smooth tool to kind of flatten out that margin there. I think that's going to work okay. See if we can't blend this contour in a little bit and maybe thin in some areas. Smooth that back out. Let's get our smooth tool. See what we're Just gonna bring the whole thing out there. Smooth that back. Form remove tool. Go. Better. All right, looking good. Check our proximal contacts. Better. Would love to bring this contact down some, but I don't want to give her a goofy looking contour there, so I'm going to leave that. Want to lower this any. See where she started. I'm not going to. Oh, I'm going to leave that. Okay, so a little post-mill processing to make that look better. I think she is going to be happy. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. And if there's ever anything you want to see, just leave me a comment.